Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the July and August MegaBox for Birchbox, or as it's come to be known in France, Blissim. So they've combined the 2 months together, and last year, at the very least, we got this cute little satchel for everything to be kept in, but this month, wait for it, we get this beautiful bubble mailer. Incredible. I really thought, I could have sworn that I saw there was some sort of a bag or a tote bag or something, but I did not get one. There's also an item that you can select your color preference, and I made my selection and I did not get the color I selected. So great start all in all, but Blue Hour, if you translate, is the theme for this month. We get 10 items because, as I mentioned, combining July and August, and let us dive in. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to take out from this mystery box, this is the brand Kadalys, and we've gotten the banana micellar gel before from here, and I'm going to be honest, I still haven't figured out how to use it, because whether I use it with water or without, I feel like it doesn't work for my face. But it's a very popular item, and here is the SOS Nourishing Body Lotion in Hydramuse with yellow banana, obviously, carroty butter, oh no, karité, I'm reading it in French. Yellow banana and shea butter. Cute packaging. This guy is full size, 100 mils, and worth €17. Smells really nice and fresh, just like banana, I guess, and shea butter. But really cool, I like the packaging, and it seems like it would be very nourishing. Next, I'm gonna take out something that we all know I hate to get in these subscription boxes. This is Speciology is the brand, and it is a keratin and argan oil shampoo sampler. So obviously this is not full size, but this mini is worth €3.47 because the full size is €29. Clinical formulation sounds great, it works, but it doesn't really even smell of anything. And again, like I mentioned, the main thing is I don't feel like 1, 2, 3 washes, which I get from this, are gonna be enough for me to like switch over shampoos, if that makes sense. And plus, just so much plastic from the little guys, so that's a bummer, but I'll use it. You know what I do when I get too many samples? I use it as a bubble bath, so another good alternative. Next, ooh, Respire. Okay, so, Respire, if you want to be French. This brand is really up and coming in France. They're all about recyclable, natural, like use as little waste as possible. They even have those chewable, not shampoo, toothpaste tablets and shampoo bars and things and such. So they're really into refillable, reuse, blah blah, made in France. So this is the Moisturizing Gel Cream for normal or mixed skin, 98% natural products. That's cool. Has flowers, almond oil, hyaluronic acid. My dog's walking around in the background every time I film to make extra noise. And this guy as well apparently is full size and worth €15.90. Again, not sure I'd spend that, but that's the caveat with a lot of these brands that are doing like eco-friendly stuff. Their prices are obviously higher. Something to consider, but I generally do really like this brand. Next, I'll take out this guy, the very first Birchbox I ever got here last June. We had a product by Brave New Hair, so it's nice to see another one. That one was like a shimmering hair, not gel, it was like a water gel, and you put it through your hair and it moisturizes and shimmers. This guy is a mask for colored hair, for color retention and shine with quinoa, UV filter, fruit acids, and walnut extract. This is actually a really nice size. Humba, stop moving, please. Thank you. Silly potato. It smells really nice. I feel like you get a really good amount. I'm very surprised at the price. This is obviously sample, and it's only worth $2.82. That's quite affordable if you really like the brand. So cool. Ready to try that. Next. Okay, I do need this because I just ran out. We have a very high protection, very water resistant, 99% natural mineral sunscreen with SPF 50. And this is the brand, is it the brand? Oh no, the brand is 71%. Never heard of it. Packaging looks really cool, intense, and like it's expensive. This is full size and worth €22.90, so I was correct about the price. This is the kind of one that I would keep for pretty much just my face, and then I would do 30, 40 for the rest of my body, or, well, just one that's not this expensive. But cool, I kind of expected a sunscreen. Nice, thanks. We are halfway there, and it's mostly like sampler things. Next, Bioderma. So this is the hydrating concentrated serum. Very dehydrated, sensitive skin. Okay, thanks. It's really small. Bioderma is a really good brand. I feel like this is actually really good for summer because we're all dehydrated in general, but especially in the summer. This is a deluxe sample size, and this guy is worth €7.68, which is quite pricey. I'll use it up. I don't have much more to say there. Thanks. Next. Merci Handy. What? Cleansing spray with orange and peppermint. What? Cool little glass bottle. Okay. I've never seen anything like this before. It cleans your hands and releases a wild, vivid, energizing aura. So basically you spray on your hand 2-3 times, and it sanitizes, cleans your hands, but also leaves a lovely smell. Ooh. Oh, that is citrusy and fresh. That's really nice and unique. Not at all sticky. I'm very pleasantly surprised by this product. I've never seen anything like it. It's full size. It's worth €10. Normally, again, for €10 for a hand sanitizer, I wouldn't, but this packaging and the uniqueness of it, I'm down. Okay, just a few items left. One that, my mouth's watering to think about how this is gonna smell. We got Moroccan Oil, just the original Moroccan Oil for all types of hair. Obviously this is a sample size. Oh, and it smells like heaven. Freaking love Moroccan Oil. So you just basically put this on the ends of your hair and work it up about halfway. You don't put it on your roots. I don't know why that sounded like Scooby-Doo. And again, of course, not full size, worth €4.80. I'm gonna use it up. I've really been getting into hair oils because I'm really trying to grow my hair. That's a really nice product to have, and if you haven't tried it before, great size. Okay, I'm gonna very quickly get this guy out of the way. It appears to be a piece of paper, but it's actually a €15 gift card without minimum purchase on Birchbox/Blissim website. I will say I had a quick glance and everything's like just under €15 or closer to €20. So you'll probably have to spend a little bit, and depending on free shipping or not. But that's nice to get it without any kind of restrictions, and it goes up until 10th of September. So plenty of time to shop away. Next will be the item that I chose a color for, but they did not give me what I wanted. This is Le Rouge à Ongles, if I do my really intense French accent, and basically it's a nail polish. I feel like I've seen this brand, have I? Maybe I haven't. There's a few that look similar. Obviously this is a very hot summer red, perfect for the season, but I feel like I already have 1 or 2 of these, which is why I did not want it. However, it is a gorgeous color. The other options were a very lovely nude, kind of like this, which is what I wanted, and a lavender shade. So this is full size and worth €19. Which is shocking to me that a nail polish can cost this much, especially when it's not like designer, you know? I guess it's because it's vegan, made in France, and based on plant ingredient, and it's supposed to hold a really long time. That'll be really nice for the summer, but again, I feel like I just won't get as much wear out of it as I would like, but very nice. Very expensive, but very nice. And last, but hopefully not least, we get a MCoBeauty product. MCoBeauty is an Australian brand, and the only item I've gotten from them, it's right here, is a highlighter in the advent calendar for Glossy Box last year. It's freaking huge, and it's like really, really, really gold, even though it says champagne. This is completely irrelevant. I don't know why I'm showing it to you, but it's a really nice shimmery product. So to speak on the brand, it's really lovely. It's just, this one wasn't my shade, but this is the Peachy Gloss Hydrating Lip Oil, apparently. And you get 2 shades. One is a bit more rosy, and this one's a bit more peachy. Oh, it smells really pleasant. Let me put it on. So this guy, it says right away we don't sell it on our website, but I looked it up. and it's worth €8.82. One problem, it doesn't pick up the most products, so you can see I'm going in like 3-4 times to get my desired coverage. Now obviously I was already wearing a lip product, but first impression, it feels really nice, a bit more watery, which is always good, and a lovely shade that I feel like you can wear year round. Alright, so that is the July-August Birchbox. What are my thoughts? I mean, I always have this conflict with Birchbox. They're very meh, and then the next month they're really great. But overall, I'd say leaning towards the meh side. Especially for like a big box where it's doubled up, I would have expected 1 or 2 things with a bit more pizzazz. Honestly, looking at this, I think the thing I'm most excited about is the hand sanitizer spray. Which, if the most exciting thing to you is a hand sanitizer spray, I think we got a problem. Again, there's no wow, there's nothing that's really blowing me away or making me go, I can't wait to try that. Least favorite, Handy P shampoo. Maybe it's great for my hair, that's nice, but there's just nothing exciting about the description or packaging or smell. The coupon's nice, but again, do I need more stuff? If I could use it towards my subscription, that would actually be best. This is nice and sweet and cute, and I feel like it's a nice smaller size, so I could actually possibly use it up if I just keep it with me throughout the rest of the summer. Sunscreen I'll use, body lotion, not my kind of thing. Moisturizers, we get 2. Do I need 2? I don't think so. Again, I'll use it. Hair mask, I like, but that size is probably maximum 2 masks for me. Nail polish, I'll do it next video. And I mean Moroccan Oil. It's just, again, lately, same with Glossybox, is kind of the response. It's nice, but there's nothing here that I'm like, oh wow, this is great, you know? Especially because it's a double month. We obviously were double charged. It was one fee of €24, I want to say, 25, €26. And honestly, I'd rather have my money than this box. That sounds terrible, but I think just after a certain level, when you have a lot of stuff, like how many more samples of moisturizer and shampoo do I need? But that's also on me because I stay subscribed, right? I think I'm perpetually looking for that next cool thing. So yeah, I think the main takeaway for me is like nothing is memorable in this box. You know, it's like, I can't remember this box. So there you have it. There's July and August, so obviously there won't be an August Birchbox video. But last year, September was really awesome, so my dog will never stop walking while I'm filming. I think I'll stick it out till the end of the year, but next year we'll have to review my priorities and see what's worth it. Yeah. Anywho, that was the video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you and gave you some insight into the world of Birchbox/Blissim. If you haven't already, definitely like this video and leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Still fairly new and growing, and I would love to have you on this journey with me. Other than that, you can follow me on social media at Slavic Chic, and by social media I mean Instagram. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day and week and month and rest of the year. Good luck for everything you need luck with, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!